Hello, everyone. Here is question 14 on chapter 11, exam 1. Use f of x equals negative x squared plus 7x minus 3 to answer the following questions. Use the definition of the derivative to find f prime of x. Now, notice that we actually just want to find the derivative. So to find this derivative, f prime of x is defined as the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So this would be the limit as h approaches 0 of negative parentheses x plus h close parentheses squared plus 7 parentheses x plus h close parentheses minus 3. And that right there is f of x plus h. And then subtract off the entire original function of negative x squared plus 7x minus 3. And then divide all of that by h. Good. At this point, it's just algebra, time to simplify. Whenever I square the binomial there, that gives me the limit as h approaches 0 of negative parentheses x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And then we saw the plus 7 parentheses x plus h minus 3, and then minus the entire negative x squared plus 7x minus 3. And divide all of that by h. So that's the exponentiation. Now we deal with the multiplication. So distribute the negative, distribute the 7, and distribute the negative. This is going to give me the limit as h approaches 0 of negative x squared minus 2xh minus h squared plus 7x plus 7h minus 3. Distribute the negative, that gives me a plus x squared minus 7x plus 3. Then all over h. Wonderful. Now notice that the negative x squared cancels the positive x squared. The 7x cancels the negative 7x, and the negative 3 cancels the positive 3. And then I would combine like terms if I could, but there are no like terms. So in the numerator, notice we only have these 3 terms here, and they each have an h. So I'm going to factor out an h from both of those. So this is going to give me the limit as h approaches 0 of h parentheses negative 2x minus h plus 7, and then all over h. Good. And notice that as a result, this h cancels that h, they're gone. So this brings me over here to the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 2x minus h plus 7. And that's going to equal, as a result, if I plug in h to be 0, that goes away, and I'm left with the negative 2x plus 7. And that is f prime of x. And there we go. That is the derivative of f of x here. Good deal. Now we're going to use this. We want to find f prime of 2. So notice we already know f prime here, so we can just plug in 2 for x. So f prime of 2 is equal to negative 2 times 2 plus 7. Now negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 plus 7 is 3. So the derivative at 2 is 3. Good. And now f prime of 4. Notice that it asks what's f prime of 4. So f prime of 4 then would be negative 2 times 4 plus 7. And negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1. And there we go. So by doing the derivative first, we can just plug in x to be whatever we want at that point, and it makes it easier to do derivatives. Good. Alrighty. That's it for this question. Have fun.